name is Babubhai Jhaveri. Dr. Zakir Naik mentioned in his speech, he tried to quote authorities alternative to Dr. Dean Ornish. Dr. Dean Ornish has been a pioneer in the field of research on reversal of heart diseases, and he has now come to be acclaimed as an authority. His contribution to the field has been recognized by the President of United States by appointing him as an advisor to advise Americans on health matters. It is at the instance of Dr. Ornish that now it has been incorporated in the authoritative medical textbooks that heart disease can be reversed through the diet which has been practiced and preached by Dr. Ornish. And this particular diet consists exclusively of vegetarian food. Now, I would like to know from Dr. Zakir Naik, when he has quoted alternative authorities, what he has to say about Dr. Dean Ornish's research, which has cured thousands of patients of coronary disease without bypass surgery.
Brother asked a very good question, very relevant question, to the point. That what do I have to speak about Dr. Ornish, who's very famous, and he has said that the heart disease can be reversed by food which is only vegetarian food. I agree. Does it make non-veg food prohibited? Do you know diabetes mellitus? Brother, diabetes mellitus, you don't require Dr. Ornish to say if a person is suffering from diabetes, severe diabetes mellitus, if he doesn't take non-veg treatment of insulin produced by bovine, by pancreas of cow or of pig or human being, he will die. So if a non-veg food can cure diabetes mellitus, that doesn't make veg food prohibited. I agree with Dr. Ornish. It proves that heart diseases can be prevented or cured by veg diet. I agree. But what Mr. Rashmibhai Jhaveri said, Dr. Ornish said it should be prohibited as a general rule. For heart patient, I agree. People may differ. Many doctors may differ. I agree. I agree. But to say because it cures heart disease, non-veg should be prohibited as a general rule, then why isn't America banning non-veg food? Advisor to American government. Advisor to American government. Why doesn't the government take the advice of Dr. Ornish and stop non-veg food? Why? What his research is, if he's authority, he's right. But to quote the authority and then say he banned it, I doubt whether Dr. Ornish ever banned it. I doubt. I have my doubts. Show me the statement where it says that no human being ever in his life should have any non-veg food. I challenge you. I challenge you. He may say heart patients. There are other authorities I quoted. Dr. William T. Jarvis, Dr. K. Jerry, several. But I am more pragmatic. I agree with him. It's helpful in curing heart disease, not as a general rule. Hope that answers the question. I'm very clear.